Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of MongoDB. So today we are going to learn how to show this. You can see that this is not a readable format. Okay. So today we are going to make it a readable format so that we can read what is the object, what value it contains. Okay. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. So let's get started. So we have the post, right? So I'm going to with the post. So here you need to add just one thing, that is pretty. Okay, and make the braces and just enter it. You can see that it's a well defined object that you can readable, and you can check this one, which is the title, which is the category, body, everything you can with readability gonna be increased when you add the pretty over here with the help with the find function, right? So you can see that readability gonna be increased. So with the help of this we can make it more readable of this query. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.